Here's how we can customize quick settings or the control center on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So once you go to the quick settings panel here in the upper right corner, we can tap on this pen. Now in this area we should be able to adjust the size of these buttons that we have pretty much everywhere. So if you want to make, for example, a wider or tinier button or one of these bars, then of course you should be able to do so. You can also move them around. You can change their position. If you press and hold your finger, then you can place them. And as you can see, we can also place it in the middle over here. You can also extend it a little bit if it's 1x1 to 2x2. These are the only sizes possible right now. And besides that, here we have the expandable area, which we can also make actually much larger or smaller. That's actually up to you how big it should be. And now we can of course go to edit as well to choose the position of these buttons, so you can drag them around. You can also remove the button from here. If you tap on this minus in the upper left corner, then of course the button is going to be removed. Same with these buttons and options that we have outside of this expandable area. Same with the music player, we can actually make it bigger as well. In order to add something new, we can press add a control. So let's say I'm going to add the take screenshot option, so I can just tap on it in order to add it here into this area. I can also press and hold my finger to drag it into the expandable area in here. And from the add control option, I can also press and hold my finger in order to drag it immediately into this place. So it's up to you where it should be placed. You can actually customize this area quite easily. We can also, for example, change the position of the expandable area so that we can have it at the top of there. If I can actually do so, we should be able to do so. Maybe it's going to be easier to do this the other way around. There we go. So we can drag it like that, and it works just fine as well. So really deep customization option. You can pretty much position these buttons how you wish. In the upper left corner, we also have the panel settings, where you can separate, usually by default we have separated, the quick panel, quick settings and the control center are separated from notification tray, but you can switch together to have this more classic style. And here we can find some additional customization options, so be sure to check that out. If you are wondering how this together panel looks like, then it looks like this. You can of course swipe down again in order to open the full quick settings or quick panel over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.